Hi everybody, Flying Brian here. I am back at Point Blank taking advantage of their programmable target system. I want to do a little bit of target acquisition practice in preparation for an upcoming IDPA classifier. On this string, I program the target to hide, then run out to 30 feet and expose for 1 second. The goal is to place 2 rounds on the body if I can. Then hide, move to 25 feet, and expose for 1 second. Again, trying to place 2 on the body. Hide, move to 20 feet, and expose for 1 second. I want 2 in the body and 1 to the head if possible. Yeah, there's my 3 rounds. Now to 15 feet and expose. 2 to the body, 1 to the head. Then unload the remainder of the magazine as the target charges toward me. Except my magazine runs dry. Let's see how we did and count the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But missing one of the headshots, so that is a miss. This string will be identical to the last. I am loading my magazine with 10 rounds. Okay, out to 30 feet, 2 to the body only. Now to 25 feet and 2 to the body. That was good. Now to 20 feet, 2 to the body and 1 to the head. Alright, now to 15 feet, 2 more to the body, 1 to the head. And I can't unload my magazine because I am out. Okay, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All rounds are present and accounted for. I switched up the third string a little. The target still goes out to 30 feet, but now the target exposes for less than a second. But I still want to land 2 rounds on the target. Wow, that was fast. I can't seem to get that second shot off. Now to 25 feet and a 1 second expose. Not too hard to get the 2 rounds in. Now to 20 feet for a very quick expose and 2 rounds to the body, 1 to the head. Missed that third shot. Now to 15 feet and 1 to the head. And then unload the magazine as the bad guy charges me. Alright, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. However, there were supposed to be 2 headshots. This will be the same as the last. Let's see if I can do any better the second time around. Okay, out to 30 feet for a quick expose and 2 rounds. Alright, got my 2 shots in. Now to 25 feet for 1 second and 2 rounds. 20 feet for a quick expose and 2 rounds. Just barely got that second shot in. 15 feet, 1 to the head, 2 to the body, and empty the magazine as the assailant charges. And with 1 additional round, I am empty. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the same hole, and 9. So 1 round missed. On this string, I'm sending the target out to 50 feet for a 3 second expose, with the goal of landing 2 rounds on the body. Now it runs back up to 30 feet for a quick expose, 2 rounds. Little slow on that second shot. 25 feet for a 1 second expose, 2 rounds. 20 feet for a fast expose and 2 rounds to the body, 1 to the head. Gotta be faster than that. Now 15 feet for one to the head, and the rest as the target charges me. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Missing one. Or are we? Do you see it? Right here where the round hit the edge of the target. So all are accounted for. This would be the same scenario as before. Out to 50 feet and exposed for 3 seconds, 2 to the body. Seems like 3 seconds is plenty of time to squeeze off the 2 rounds. Now to 30 feet for a quick expose in 2 rounds. Here goes. Can't quite get that second shot. Now to 25 feet, 2 rounds. Now 20. 1 to the head, 2 to the body. Couldn't get that third round off. 15 feet and 1 to the head and the remainder to the body as it charges. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No change in the string. This will be the same as the last. Down to 50 feet for a 3-second expose and 2 rounds to the body. The target hides, moves to 30 feet, and exposes for less than 1 second for 2 rounds if I can make it. Alright, now to 25 feet for a 1-second expose in 2 rounds. I managed 3. Bonus! Now to 20 feet for a fast expose in 3 rounds. Not even close. And again to 15 feet and 1 to the head and the rest as the target charges. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it looks like 10 went just over the head, but that's still considered a miss. Okay, let's try this again. Out to 50 feet for 2 rounds. No problem there. Back to 30 feet for 2 rounds. Got him. Now to 25 feet for a 1-second expose in 2 rounds. "20 feet in 3 rounds if I can make it. Nope, not enough time. Finally 15 feet, 1 to the head, and unload the magazine. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, one last time. Target goes to 50 feet and exposes for 3 seconds. And I'll try for 3 rounds. This practice definitely is focusing attention on sight picture and sight acquisition. There's my 3 rounds. Now to 30 feet for a quick expose and 2 more rounds. Ready? I think I missed that second shot. I also threw in a quick reload there. Now 25 feet for 1 second and 2 rounds. Got both. Now to 20 feet for a quick expose, and we'll try for 2 rounds. Not too sure about that second shot. And finally to 15 feet, 1 to the head and the rest as the target charges. That was 14 rounds total. How many holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, seems like I'm getting worse, so it's time to call it a day. Remember, life's a journey, enjoy the ride, and as always, thanks for watching.